Manuel.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it. So boy, I got extra forget me not when it suit you. What you say? Fever, can you say hi to the vlog, man?
Oh, I didn't know it's a
It's
vlog.
such a oh shit.
Sorry, to me, I'm a phone now.
Shit, you guys, I might not have space to vlog a lot, so let me not waste time, you know? I'll see you guys later. Listen to me. Oh my god, you can't see it, people. But I'm at Jerky's. See it there. This hungry belly boy come fi buy chicken.
Leg and thigh, already answer them have breast and wing. No man. Can't
Breast
give me
and
no
wing
breast.
is the best combination. Oh no, some love my breast and wing already.
Why you say that? No man can't give you no breast. You get it? So me tell him it's a woman alone. Give it a
Why are you guys so like? Why do you guys live off of every single word? Like, uno can't say two, uno have to say 1 3.
You can't say two because that's how we teach you them to go 1 2 3. You can't teach you to go 1 3 or 1 few. You're crazy. I'm batty boy and not fish. Batty boy, batty boy. As fish fry I keep and enough man I go. So any man. You say them about fish. You want so much as 10 day of fish fry. Batty boy.
Then they bleach out fish, say fi bring down baby. You. In the words of Jamil. Oh my gosh, but yeah, we're waiting on his chicken. Wanna know some love my pork already, but coming like the price gone up because you understand? And even though I know my money I spend it, if me not spend certain money upon something, me not gonna make somebody else spend the same amount of money upon something. I don't use people. You understand? So yeah. No come on next day when me feel rich. Really rich. Well, I did tell you something because we didn't end up getting it, right?
Listen to me, we go and buy chicken we're worth more than $700 already.
That's who?
Me.
You, not me.
And I mean when I buy it, what happened? You don't appreciate, you're not grateful.
Okay.
I'm just come and say that I can't get it.
I should have brought my car mount because this is gonna be not the greatest, but of course you can get.
No, you're not gonna give me nothing like that.
Yeah, I will. It's different when you're treating somebody, you know?
But I was treating you.
Okay, next time, Kenyo, Jesus. God of his mercy.
I'm the plan.
My God.
My God.
I only told him I want one thing from him. One thing and one thing only. And he knows what that is. Not that. That's your problem.
It was smutty.
And that me I talk about.
I wanted to buy your pork. What the hell?
Yo, he's so. But I said there's only one thing I want from you, and that wasn't pork. And you're like,
You just want my loyalty and my honesty.
No, weed. That's it. Like, that's it. That's all.
People, the I'll link up the people. I'm calling right now.
You see, girls, if you guys have tight vaginas, okay, don't come to Jamaica and give your away to nobody. Understand? Because when you give it away one time, it's like you're obligated. You understand? Or them go continue to pressure you till you're dead. You understand? So just hold it. Close it, hold it. Don't give it up to not a single smaddy. Even if you're in a relationship with somebody, don't give it to them if them live in Jamaica. You understand? Wait till them get them green card and something and then can cross. And all these type of things. Otherwise, have be a problem. Wagwan.
Popcorn.
Your food not ready yet? So, yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I don't know what he's trying to do after. I don't really know about Dead End because if you live in Montego Bay, you know what's been going on. If you don't,
Right up.
Montego Bay.
They're on a jerky side.
Montego Bay not really too
Damn man, what you say go on?
to go on with great things right now, so from the people who are clean up your car, who dash the water on your car when you stop at red light, the people who are come up like gas are dead, you understand? Who work at gas station are dead. People pick me, baby, a rape off and dead off. All these type of things. We scammer them there. Couple sell front girl there. The shell of them there. And I mash up Jamaica. So yeah. Soon come.
Can't spell us without you in it. So I'll give you more love than your mama. Come on, baby, no drama. Follow me and stand. But mine not to hold them corner.
You want to give more love than your mama? Come on, baby, no drama. So what is all that llama? But mine not to hold them corner. If you were my girl. This love right here is gonna be baby, gonna be forever. Gonna be baby, gonna be forever. Gonna be baby, gonna be forever. Gonna be baby, gonna be forever.
You move so smooth.
She let me say no, she ain't no dinner.
Look what they get like
Oh, here coming ya.
What the what do that crew they will be a domina? And they go foot that no stay a domina. No dirty they do not lay a domina. No all go can spray a popina. And you she could never see a popina.
You are beautiful in every way so far. Words can bring you down. Words can bring me down. What are we gonna speak to man? Words can bring you down.
They want to see you have fun. Do the something them and make me go down. Up in the video you shine like sun. Everything about you is so awesome. But I gotta watch you and our life back down. She start chatting as a back down. And she not chatting. Why did you see the box? Them a burn down when the sound catch a fire.
Look here, come out. Just come out. Don't make me and you have to have anything. Come out.
What you fight talking for? What did I say me like fight?
Yo, I'll slap you, eh? Put him, girl, Panamos. She said the doctor I feel her up.
She said it though.
Anybody I got halfway tree?
That's about the yellow party.
She said the driver. She said the doctor. She said they have enough girls, but in pocket. At home, but she
Right,
is
no,
a
sorry,
cool.
sorry, watch it.
She said one time, halfway tree. You guys, I'm so cute. Yeah, like pay witch fear and she's some round. And my body do weigh 100 pounds. Better believe it. Okay, let me get out and go. We're at dead end. So I'm gonna go on. She said the driver, Mitch. She said the doctor. So yeah, dead end, while on there. Fix up myself and show you know what me I work with. So yeah. Use the flash for show on our one. I feel like it never looks any different because I come here at the same time all the time. But yeah, this is dead end. This is the end that we're normally at, where nobody is. And then you have like dead end up this where everybody is. And yeah. She said you want what's up on right now? She said, Yo, I'm soon come. Let me get me something then. No run teeth or false teeth, no in your mouth. Watch out now, big bumper girl. You me like, I like you Zoe. Cause your bumper big, you see me? Your pussy tight, back it up, me like it up on a bike. Girl, you a state of the art. Yeah.
Brother, chop, chop.
Your body, your work class pussy me want. Me love when you call and tell me you miss so fuck. Girl, me have a plan for you. If you pose one in your belly like damn me know. You change out like Cambio. You a wine make your panty show. Whoa, big bumper girl. Wanna know say my anthem this? No, I wanted to show you guys though, like okay, we're at dead end, but we did want to show Keneal's new contraption. You guys know in the vlog at some point Stammer always ends up leaving with the lighter.
Yes,
So now he has it attached to his pants.
Since we purchased something,
You never lost a lighter already?
2 weeks. And that decreased my
Yo,
spending on
this
lighters.
is so funny though. Like, I like this.
Why you feel funny?
Yo, where'd you get this though?
I got it from someone who sold me for $500. They always order them.
Yo, I want one.
It's easy to get one.
I want one, yo. What?
I'll get you one.
Can you not buy me nothing here, people? Because from last year, can you supposed to carry me go up a what restaurant called? Chill Out Hut. Okay? Yeah, but know someone very familiar with that the place name. He's gonna fall in love. You're gonna fall in love with who?
Yo, that's what I'm love with.
For what?
It's a romantic.
Beer lyrics. You hear? Beer lyrics. You don't fall for them man here. You understand? A beer fucker then go on with. They are there, me a loser for humans, you know? Alkaline again. Oh. And we don't really talk like we used to do. I play all of my songs them like we used to do. I remember one time I used to come to Jamaica and I wouldn't know no songs or like one or two. Now I know all of them. And now all different place. Price you have to pay for be somebody great. Everybody wants something complaints from complaints. Price you have to pay for be. Have my big house a yard and live out a suitcase. That's how I feel, living out of suitcases. Every month somebody I did, I have to come back to Jamaica. They don't let me know that they used to do. And we don't really talk like we used to do. Every month, anyway, find weed. Lick more. Is this mine? Do you want me dice? Man just want to be great. Mr. Evil like it's small. Good night. I look strength from each other. So extra for no reason.
You know rate killer, you know rate cartel, you know rate nobody, you know rate Mucho, none of them on there acting and bad and money man side friend. Nobody.
Can't believe they get a new friend. And if I know me, then I wouldn't.
Where's the gun for a ganja?
So where's the play though?
Don't throw it all away.
No, say no lie.
No fight a fuck up, but not give up
Yes,
on me.
specific. Cause the man don't know what I'm doing. This is my wheel. That's because
I mean, I beg you one week and I'm gonna lose grip
I'm
on
gonna try to
me.
beg weed for you, forgive me. I got my son done.
You're right though, honestly.
No weed, not supposed to be, you know, that kind of.
Yo, I'm telling you, sometimes the head rush that I get, it's
You
crazy.
need to just take time out.
Yeah.
Tonight, you know, so they get too high too quick. Like you just take one puff and it just go.
Yeah, it's so true.
What am I going to buckle, man, tonight, man?
What do you?
Hold on, tell you what if some done. 1-5, no man. Yeah, right, my dear.
Come here, really dog. Never get a pussy like yours. So me have to sing about it. But I know where you get such a good pussy. Nothing. Chris Brown.
She a sing the song about the boy, him not bad.
No.
Fire touch on top of him, he start coughing him, God.
Yo, ask him where Stammer is. Like, where's Stammer? I want to see Stammer. That's when I come to Jamaica and I think of my friends, I think of Stammer, not you. I want to see Stammer.
Probably in the inside, I'm woman.
Next time I hit you charge.
I joke me, I'm a bridging from Sam.
Rastafari.
Big up his. Yeah, like what's going on? Some lady, please comment below. Will you help him? Come to Jamaica, braid his hair. He will clothe you, house you, feed you. You understand? All of them some name will do for you, isn't me? Just come help him.
Oh, yeah, charge.
If you are pre one of the bread, then you have to pre me.
I'm saying. Shank, watch out. We are studio.
Are you too big up on?
Please, watch out.
A black shadow. A
Don't
black
do
shadow.
this. I will fire me up.
Yeah, you said that. Listen to me. Let us love, let us loyalty. You fuck with the family, just try to remember me. Big up my friend, big him up, big him up. Straight up.
I'm trying to pick up myself.
We'll get all the views because we have all the views.
They are smoke so most wanted. Police money go lock up there something.
Shank, let's see this video.
I'm gonna start to. Get this video. Yeah.
We have a latest video there.
Video.
Upload. So,
Video.
give me.
Upload. With what?
I'm starting to shoot them. I don't know. All right.
Yeah, Western Snipe.
This trip.
Yeah, Chuck Norris.
Wine from that talk to me, girl.
Yeah, man, I watch it on Facebook. I laugh till a week. I say, what man, I got man? You watch it on Facebook. Nobody fuck. Fuck. You don't get like funny. Bang, bang, Come on. Someone point like at this today. Right now you're boss, right now who is that guy?
Right?
He needs to come up. I'll vlog it up on
No, sir.
Yo, Pari, I got Japan and Canada. Easy, bang, bang, ding, bang, bang.
Say hi. Say hi.
Live vlog.
Okay, say wagwan.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wagwan DJ rest there.
All right. Big up yourself. Idiots. Anyways. I'm sorry? You've already actually been on one of my vlogs before. But you've been on one of my videos before. He's been on one of them before.
That's a YouTube player. I know you don't
Because you were down here one time.
Don't we are here?
Yes.
How long time there for Awin?
But we were down here one time. I think it was 420. It was 420. It was April 20th, the last year.
Where's the ganja done? Yo, you don't get to be a while ago. I'm a woman going to be there last time. You know what they want to shank?
He's an actor, so he always be in the video. He's a movie star, you know.
Oh. Anyways. Yeah, that's a wagwan.
Yeah. Old boy.
She want the best fuck, so she for French cut. River like the dread chop. Now say every girl come on me and get fucked, but I know every girl have the said look. Baby, you and I make magic when me drop my pants and you remove your dress. Girl, your pussy so good, me can't afford to lose your car. If she feel lonely though, you have the best pussy out the road. Maybe put a fire on the pussy can't out it out. She said, I feel like the Holy Ghost. Cause you and I make magic when me drop my pants and you remove your dress. What a pussy so good, me can't afford to lose your car. If I fuck a better pussy in my life.
Beat me in our productions.
Yo, not even one day that I'm gonna start. One time should I get a car? You see me better, miss you and I. You left off in the summer room when you come back. Any man you give that pussy that him a fi honor you. Any girl you say they hate you, them a just a fan of you. Me look up the definition of the baddest honor you. Cause anywhere you go, every eye in there you fi follow you. Pussy so good, me wish me about 21 of you. Oh, I can't style you, but him a go take one and go. And me a fuck you, but me shoulda fuck you long ago. So me no know how some look come another. Cause it's just you and I. You left a friend in some room when you come back. Me imagine your head, pa me belly the bumps. Why me slap up your body like a kete jump? Me not even off your bone, me feel make you come. Two of we bust together like a baby tabon. Oh, your pussy feel so warm like we a make a son. If it wet up anyone, me coulda set a jump. She deliver it to me, it's like a letter come. Smarty said we bring a stretcher come. Cause it's just you and I. You left up in the summer room when you come back. Baby, you and I make magic when me drop my pants and you remove your dress. Girl, your pussy so fat, me can't afford to lose your cars. in my life. Get fucked, she feel French cut. Brave I like the jet chuck. Now say every girl come on me, I get touched. But I know every girl have the said look. Yo, boo, 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 boo. Studio vibes. I saw she sit back on a TikTok.